Hey friends, so I was recently in need of extra money. Right now I'm making at least $1,800 up to $1,500 a month, and my goal right now is to make at least $10,000 a month. So I came across this secret website that pay you to do very simple and interesting task, and you can get paid up to $200 a day. So I said, okay, I'm going to share to you this website, and I hope that this website are really going to help you to start making money online. So let's dive in and see all these secret websites that are going to pay you reasonable amount of money. Our very first website is called Listverse, and this platform is going to pay you $100, and you just need to speak English language for you to get paid on this platform. So what are you going to do on this platform is that you're just going to write different stories and upload on this platform, then you get paid $100 just by posting different stories on this platform. So this is the type of stories that you're supposed to write on this platform and get paid $100 just by posting on this platform. So I'm going to show you this example of this person. You just have to write something like top 10 ridiculous items people have paid money for. So you writing a story like this, you can get paid $100. So all you need to do is to go to this website, and you have to click this place which is written as write and get paid. So for any topic that you want to talk about on this platform, you just have to make sure that it's on the top list. It can be like top 10 cities that you never want to visit. So if you're writing these cities, and you just have to make sure that this story is very interesting and you get paid $100. There are a lot of people who are making decent amount of money just by listing top 10 things, and they get paid. So you have to go forward and see how much you're going to make just by doing that. Alright, so this next website is very easy, and I'm pretty sure that everyone can do what I'm about to tell you from this website. So you just have to listen careful to the audio or to the certain video, and you have to type down what you have just heard from that audio or from that video. Just by typing down and writing caption on this audio and videos that you have just chosen to hear, you can get paid a reasonable amount of money. This website is called Levy. So this means you'll get paid to put caption on a video, and on this platform is going to pay you more than $1,400 just by doing that. This website is called Levy, and there are too many tasks that you can do from this platform, and you can get reasonable amount of money. There are other tasks that you can perform on this platform. There is this task which is language translation. You can translate from this language to another language. Just by doing that, you can get paid. This is among the most trusted platform that I can recommend. You will have to go forward and join on this platform and see how much you're really going to make just by putting caption into a video, but also just by translating this language to another language. You do that and you get paid a reasonable amount of money. All you want to do right now, you have to go to rev.com, then you have to sign up, and you can start performing these different tasks and get paid from this website. So all the best, and I hope that this is really going to help you. User testing. So this is unlike other websites that promise you to pay like reasonable amount of money, but when you go ahead and try all these websites, you will never get paid. So this platform, which is called user testing, is going to pay you $1,000 up to $3,000 just by doing what I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see right here, these are the good reviews from Reddit, and you can see all these good reviews. People are saying that they get paid from this website by doing a very simple task. This is what you need to do on the platform for you to start getting paid. So on this platform, your job will be to test different applications and a different website. Then you have to share your thought about how you feel about this application, how you feel about a certain website that you have just tested. Just by providing your feedback about a certain website, you can get paid. There are a lot of companies, they need to know how their product are performing, so they are ready to pay a reasonable amount of money to anyone who is willing to test this product and they provide feedback. After that, you get paid. So I really encourage you, you have to go forward and join on this platform. Your payment will be sent on your PayPal account right after submitting this task on the website. So this one is very trusted platform, and I hope that you're really going to make a lot of money from this platform. So you have to go forward and sign up on this platform and start making money on the platform. Alright, so next on the list we have Prolific. This is a very interesting and easy way for you to start making money just by sharing your opinion and experience on the platform. You can get paid $80 per 1 hour just by providing your feedback. You just need to be honest with your feedback, but also there are a lot of tasks that you can do on this platform, like playing games. Then you have to provide your feedback about the games that you just played. If there is any bug or any problem, you just have to explain there, and just by submitting this feedback or review, you can get paid $80 per 1 hour. So you have to work like too many hours for you to start making at least $20 a day up to $50 a day. So you have to go forward and join on this platform. This is among the best survey website that I really trust, and they're giving a lot of money to anyone who is willing to do these little surveys on this platform. So you will have to go forward and join on this wonderful platform. And next on the list we have Preply. This is the best website, and I really recommend anyone, you have to go forward and try to this website because this one is the best. Let's say that you know Hindi language, or you know Swahili language, or you know any language. You can go forward and join on this platform and get paid just by teaching people different language that you know, and you can get paid $15 up to $22 just by teaching different people from all over the world, and you can get paid reasonable amount of money. The more students that you have on this platform, the more money you'll be able to make from this platform. So there are a lot of language that you need to teach on this platform, as you can see here: English language, Italian, Chinese, Arabic, and too many language. I read all these reviews on how people are talking about this website. They say that you never get paid on your first lesson. This is the bad thing about this website. But the more students that you have on this platform, the more money you'll be making in the future. And right after your first lesson, you will start getting paid from this platform. So I did encourage, if you know more than 2 languages, you have to go forward and start teaching people on the platform and get paid $15 up to $20 per 1 hour. So you have to go forward and join on this platform. This is incredible. So let's move to the next website. So our very last website is called Clarity, and on this platform you get paid just by giving advice to people on different things. It can be about mental health, it can be about business, and I'm just going forward and I'm going to show you this person who is giving advice, and he gets reasonable amount of money. This person is called Adrian, and Adrian charges $80 per 1 minute only by giving advice. So let's say that he talks with his client for only 10 minutes, he can make up to $80. So he has worked with more than 4,000 people, as you can see here. He has just made a reasonable amount of money just by giving advice to different people. So if you have any knowledge that you want to share with somebody, but also if you think you're really good at providing advice about mental health, lifestyle, but also business, you can go ahead and join on this platform and start to make the money. There are a lot of great opportunity out there, so you will have to go forward and start making money just by doing a very simple task which we usually do without even getting paid. So this is the last for today, and I really hope that you're really gonna try among all these websites that I've mentioned in this video. The very good thing about this video is that before recording this video, I had to make sure that I read all the reviews, how people are talking about all this website. At this website, it's really going to give you money. And I came to find out all these websites that I've mentioned in this video, they're really going to pay you. All you need to do right now, you have to go forward and sign up on this platform and see how much you're really going to make just by doing a very simple task that I mentioned in this video. Thanks so much. My name is Hans David, and I really hope to see you next time. And thank you again. Thank you very much. This means a lot. Thank you. See you next time.